Let's see.
Is it all the way? Yeah. All the way.
Because the instruction says that its default setting is 125 degrees. Okay, so now the red light went off. We had it set on max. We're going to test the water, see the temperature. When we had it set over here, it was 90 degrees. And then here was 110. So probably between here and here would be perfect. Anyway, let's see what we have on the max setting. Yeah, so we're getting 125 degrees on the max setting. 125 degrees on max. Here is 90, so a nice temperature. It'd probably be somewhere right there.